Hey guys, welcome to Code Part Time. In this video, we will look into the history of computers and the types of computers. Now since we know what a computer is, let's see how we got from something as simple as a calculator to the complex beauty of the mobile phone. Just like human beings, computers had stages of evolution too. They are called generations of computers. Each one is classified based on the kind of technology that were used to build them. There are total 5 generations of computer. The first computers were built around 1946 and they were like huge. This is because they used vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes were glass tubes with the air removed, thus creating a vacuum, and they contained electrodes which were used as switch or amplifier. Vacuum tubes produced a lot of heat and took up a lot of space while doing so. So first generation computers were expensive to maintain and slow in operation compared to those models that obviously evolved later. The second generation began in 1959 with the use of transistors instead of vacuum tubes. This made them cheaper, they consumed less power, were more compact in size and hence more reliable. Primary and secondary memory were both made separate and high-level programming languages were used. Now both these concepts of memory and programming languages will become much clearer and will start making sense in the next few units. So stick along. In 1965, the third generation of computers began with integrated circuits built into them. This made these computers drastically more compact in size as well as more reliable and efficient. For the first time, users could interact with the computer using a keyboard and a monitor. Well, this was just an amazing progress. From 1971 onwards, computers began to look like the desktop version we all know and recognize today. The major changes that have made since then are increased processing speed and the reduced size of the machines. Thus today we have a mobile phone which in some or the other way are much more powerful than our average laptops or desktops. Computers have definitely come a long way since their inception. The first computers could only be afforded by large corporations that could maintain them, but today any individual might own multiple computers, and in many cases they definitely do. A wide variety of computers exists. Most of the computers we see on a day-to-day basis are mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and in some cases desktops. All these are essentially the same kind of computer called a personal computer or a PC. There are also other types of computers and setups. They include a workstation, Minicomputer, mainframe, and a supercomputer. Let's have a look at each of them in detail. The PC or personal computer is literally meant for personal or an individual's use. They are complete with all the components being part of the same unit. The best examples of these are a desktop, a laptop, a mobile phone, or a tablet. Workstations are similar to personal computers. They too are standalone machines meant for individual use. However, as the name suggests, they are used usually at a workplace and come with privileges of high processing power and increased storage capabilities. A mini computer is larger than a personal computer with much more processing power. It can support and process work from around 250 users simultaneously. It is usually used as a shared resource in a small network. A mainframe computer is generally a large and expensive computer. It can manage thousands of users simultaneously. It is used by companies for bulk operations like data capture and management and to support large applications. Supercomputers are the fastest computers available today. They are very expensive and are used for large applications that require immense amount of calculations. It does go without saying that today we use computers constantly and are unable to function without them. We might as well re-edit the march of progress. Computers today are smarter than most of us and we are building them to become more smarter still. Okay, it's time to revise now. Computers' generations are defined by the technology they are built on. A mini computer can handle up to 250 users at a time. To understand what makes computers so cool, check out the next unit. We will see just what they are made of. Till then, have a nice time, take care, stay safe, and thank you.